Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in New Tampa, Florida. I'm here for a roof cleaning. Pretty much almost a full service. I'm gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here. Also, I'm gonna be doing a lanai in the back. It's been a while since you guys seen that I did a barrel tile. So this is what we're working with today. Let me show you. So we got a dirty tile roof. This one out here is gonna look great when I'm finished. I got Steve coming with me. He's about to pull up, you know what I'm saying, give me a hand as my ground guy. They do have gutters, so I'm gonna check to see if the gutters are leading to any like grass area or flower beds or anything like that. So this one here leads to this spot here. It's right here. I gotta watch out for the edge of the grass, so I might go in and back this one up. Check this back one here. This one here is good to go. Let's go check out the other side. This one here leads to some mulch. Let's go check out this back side. No gutters here. It may have one. This roof here got a lot of pine needles, a bunch of trash on it. I'm gonna use my blower, go up there with my blower, blow everything off. See if there's gutters back here. All right, no gutters back here. All right. So I'm gonna go up there on the ladder and show you guys a top view of this roof, man. All right, guys, so on top of the roof right now. Very, very, very dirty. This is gonna be a nice transformation. I don't think this roof has ever been clean, but we're gonna make it look good. Go check out the back side. She goes, man. Dirty girl. Steve just pulled up. He's about to be my ground guy. But before I start, I'm gonna use my blower, get all these leaves off, so I can have a clean canvas to apply my mix. Of course, I could just add the mix right on top, and you know, these leaves probably just, you know, fall off the roof, but let's clean it up for the homeowner, so when I leave, everything looks great. So we got the all the leaves off the roof. I'm gonna start applying my mix now. I got my man down there wetting down all the plants. He's gonna catch all the runoff for me. You gotta be careful when you walk on these roofs. So when you walk on them, you wanna walk where it overlaps. You wanna walk on like over here like this. You don't wanna walk in here because you'll break them, all right? And stay off your toes. Stay off your toes, stay flat-footed. You know what I'm saying? Make it easy to walk on. You can walk sideways like this here. When you want to go up, you just go up. See, I'm going up, but staying on the overlap sections so you don't break them, all right? And also, while you're up here, just see stuff like this, you know, broken stuff like this, cracked. You want to get that on camera so you don't get blamed for it. See what I'm talking about, guys? Stuff like this. I ain't even cleaned this side yet. You know what I'm saying? This side is not even clean yet. And look, broken spot right there. I'm using a 5% mix today on this barrel tile. So I just have to spray it one time, man. I don't have to worry about coming back. Before I leave, what I do is I just go back around and I just make sure that anything doesn't need to be hit again. So I spray it one good time and I come back and I spray it again in spots that needs to be treated again. But this mix is working really good. You want to spray at a pattern so you can hit the lip of the tiles. So I kind of angle my gun a little bit just to hit the face of the tile. All right, making great progress. See my spots over there, I gotta hit again. We'll hit those again. This side was the worst, but we're gonna get it cleaned up. This side right here where the tree is, right on top of us. So guys, so the roof is treated. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. She's looking real good, man. But as you can tell, there's some darker stains around this area here. So I'm gonna go over there, spray those again one more time. And all that's gonna die, man, and rinse off. But she's looking real good, man. I'm happy with the project. Let's go in and touch it up. Alright guys, so we're done with the roof now. We're gonna start on the driveway. Steve and my man Benny back here, he's training with us today. He's gonna start doing the driveway. I'm gonna go in the back and knock out the lanai back there. Nice and easy. I'm not even doing the deck. I'm just doing the lanai, the pool screen and stuff like that. But they're gonna start on this right here. Right now they're downstreaming the SH. And then they start on the surface cleaning. Alright guys, we all done here. The driveway's cleaned up. My man Bernie, first day on the job, killed it. Roof is looking good, man. Nice and clean up there. I'm gonna show you guys the lanai. They're doing some work in that pool, so it might be a little loud. She's all cleaned up, man.